This week's Smart Book Chapter Review quiz and assignments focus on Chapter 12, Motivating Employees. Motivation is a psychological process that drives people to act towards achieving goals. It is shaped by both individual needs and rewards they expect to receive. There are four major perspectives on motivation. Content perspectives. These explore the needs that motivate people. Examples include Maslow's hierarchy, McClelland's acquired needs theory, Deci and Ryan's self-determination theory, and Hertzberg's two-theory factor. Process perspectives. These examine how people decide what actions to take. Key theories include equity theory, expectancy theory, goal-setting theory. Job design. This involves structuring work in a way that enhances motivation and satisfaction. Reinforcement theory. This focuses on using rewards or consequences to influence behavior and performance. Our assignments for this week. We have the Smart Book Chapter Review for Chapter 12. You may work on this as long as you need to reach 100%. The Chapter 12 quiz. You may take the quiz one time and it is time limited. Play pause it activity. You may complete this as many times as you need to earn 100%. And the assignment, Motivating Employees. Be sure to complete this assignment by the due date. Assignments cannot be submitted late for points, so please stay on schedule. So let's take a look down here. We'll come to Chapter 12, open that up, and we have the instructor guidance, and that's what you're watching here. And we have the deep dive podcast, which gives you information about the chapter. Here's the Smart Book Chapter 12. Here's the quiz, Chapter 12. Then we have the play pause it. And then our assignment, we'll open that up. We'll view the instructions. And you'll see the instructions here. It'll basically tell you what the assignment is. You'll have a little case study where you go over scenario. You'll have to do some research. You'll have to evaluate three different strategies. You'll have to look at the ethical considerations. And you'll also have to make a strategy decision. And so you can do two things. You can either write a 2 to 3 page written analysis, or you can do a 5 to 7 minute recorded presentation. So if you do the written paper analysis, there's a template that you can complete to make sure you cover the four areas. And the same thing with the templates, you can use it to make sure that you've covered those four areas. So if you're going to do the 5 to 7 minute recorded, I suggest you use Teams since you've already had experience with that. And let's see here. And then here's your template. You can click on that and it's going to have the four areas that you're going to need to do to make sure that you cover the components, at least cover each component that's in the assignment. And I think that's all I've got for instructor guidance this week. So you can contact me using messages or by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.